Let's take a look at this Canon PowerShot compact camera vlogging kit. If you're a content creator, then you know the importance of having a good quality camera. And this Canon vlogging kit has everything you'll need to make your videos share-worthy. The camera itself is really quite powerful, as it lets you live stream or upload straight to YouTube, cutting out any lengthy or annoying editing process. It shoots in 4K without cropping your shot. Alright guys, we're in a Curry store and we're trying out the new Canon camera. Look at this. And you can even capture slow motion moments up to 120 frames per second in full HD. And you can also flip up the touchscreen to see what it is you're filming. You can use the app as a remote for when you want to control your camera from afar. Plus, the app also lets you share your featured content with your phone, meaning you can get started on any editing as soon as possible. And with the tripod grip, which is really easy to hold onto, you can control the camera using your thumb and even remotely with the built-in remote.